front of me is OnePlus 6T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by accessing clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then to create a new one, use this plus at the bottom in the middle. Begin by setting up an hour. When you finished, scroll down and pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. Then select label and name your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Finally, hit save. Now tap on this icon next to vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback. Click on alarm ringtone, and choose vibration intensity by tapping on one of those options. You can also select song from your device by tapping on the ringtone from internal storage, tapping on the song and going back. You can even pick one of those sounds instead. Wherever you decided when you finished, to save your alarm, click Set Alarm at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To make some changes, tap on it, change whatever you want to, and hit Set Alarm again. To turn it off or on, use this switcher next to it. To delete it, hold it, click Delete option and wait. To adjust even more alarm options, click on this gear at the top right corner and manage all of those however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!